Hey y'all, Aaron Sokoloff here at Waxahachie, Texas, here at our pre-owned Super Center, coming to you live this afternoon, this Monday afternoon. Check out what I've got. 2016 F150 Super Cab, but it's got a Raptor twist on it, y'all. Got Raptor wheels and tires on it. Suspension, as you can see, as well. Raptor front end. Lights. Fog lights on top. 116,000 miles on this bad boy. Just got this in. There's your mileage with your Raptor display on it, on your radio there. Raptor wheel. I mean, look, if you're wanting a truck, you know, on a budget, that's cool, it runs great, give me a call today. 469-353-4262. Like I always say, if that flag's a flying, you better be buying.